Why must have to go with biometric technology? Biometric technology is one of the indeed need today at workplace likes in office and organizations. It builds with advanced technology and software to solve the problem and save the time in this innovative age. It helps to build security and safety in common and commercial sectors. There is multiple type of biometric system available with multiple features such as face recognition, access control, time attendance, GPS-enabled system, and solution for industrial.